aku masih ingat lagi dulu masa in the 90s lah. Aku ada buat satu skate tour dengan Penang punya skater dan Kelang punya skater. Pada masa tu ada Ali Kundang, ada Bad, they all from Kelang. So dia orang tumpang skaters Penang naik motor, kita pergi Alustang. So dekat Alustang tu, kita skate. Lepas kita skate and then kita pun balik. Dan aku punya first skate tour riding lah.
The bronze medal, Ahmad Fazil. We call him Padine. If you can skate with a smile on your face, then you are having fun. And that's part of being here at the Asian X for the past 3 years in Malaysia. I've never seen him skate so well.
I really enjoy a lot of my friends here. This band, I don't know, I'm very, very happy. But I don't know what happened to my run. But finally it came out like I got a first rank. I was like, oh, crazy man.
So competition actually bila aku masuk kontes memang aku target mesti nak menang ni lah. Nervous tu satu hal. Harapan orang pada engkau tu lagi besar lah sebab mereka kata engkau wakil Malaysia. Padahal sebenarnya kita rasa macam iya ke? Dia tak official sangat dia just like dalam TV and then bila naik the scoreboard from Malaysia kan. Dan bila dia tulis Malaysia tu kita represent Malaysia lah sebenarnya kan.